The story that caught our eye this week, Prime Minister Keir Starmer introducing a comprehensive overhaul of the UK's immigration system. He's aiming to reduce net migration, prioritize high-skilled labor. Key measures include things like higher skill thresholds, extended settlement periods, increased financial barriers, sector-specific restrictions, stricter deportation policies. It's the kind of stuff that you may not necessarily expect to come from a Labour government, would we?
Yeah, I mean, I think one other one was 10 years of settled status before you can get citizenship, although there'll be some exceptions to that. They haven't really explained what those will be. But so this is all the context of reform, sweeping the English local elections last week, mainly in Tory areas. It would have been a lot worse for Labour had there been elections in big metropolitan areas. So kind of like this is very much been seen as a big response to that. What struck me from it was that, Keir Starmer used some pretty firm language that, had that come from the previous Conservative government, we'd have been accused of, dog whistle politics,